Cordial greeting to tutoring partners. My name is Camila Arana Carvajal and I am in 10th semester in UNAP, studying a bachelor degree in English as a foreign language. Today I'm going to make the video for the first activity of the didactics of mathematics course. So the activity consists in the answer some questions. The first question is how can you make a first approach to mathematics learning? So I consider three special points. The first one is describe or put the problems in their own words, the word of the students. And the second is visualize what the problems looks like. And the third one is identify goals to solve the problem. So I consider this is so important when we are going to teach mathematics. So the second question says what you must know about math before you do a class. So I think that the most important thing, we should know everything about the thing that we are going to teach, because when you know everything, you are going to find the different procedures and also the different ways to solve the problems. And the most important is you are going to know what are the correct strategies for applying inside the classroom. The third question say what are some ways to learn mathematics as a teacher. So the first one is figure out why procedures work, not just it's like how to do for them. And the another one is try to solve the problems in different ways, not just in one way, because we consider that's the better for us, because maybe that is better for us but not for our students. The other is study students and thinking and aware, because these help us to get the better way or the better form to give the knowledge in math to our students. So the fourth question say give other examples about teachers' mistakes when students are work are wrong. So the first one that I could find is be angry. A lot of teachers, math teachers, when one student is wrong with something, just be angry and doesn't like to repeat. The other is I could see that they fall into desperation, and because they think like the students never going to learn the process or learn the topic. Another one is because they forget about why students need to know that. So for example, this is a simple question that our students every day do it inside the classroom when they are learning math, because they ask, so why that is important for me, what I have to teach to learn that, so how can I use it in my daily life. And so this is so important. And the last one is use sloppy language, and so this is other mistake. And then number 5 is the last one. According to your point of view, what you consider is essential in the mathematics learning process. So personally, I think that the most important thing is to be patient, because when you are patient, you are going to try to give the best lesson to your students, and also you are going to give them a trust, because a trust for developing the topics, for learn the different procedures and find the better way to learn and to develop the topics and the classes that we are going to give. So those are my answers for these questions. So thanks for your attention.